How to share Netflix account with friends. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First, make sure your Netflix subscription allow multiple users. That is, make sure that your profile is not single screen. Your subscription should be either of a mobile plan or a premium plan and not be basic plan. Now go ahead and open Netflix on your device. Make sure you are signed in and then tap on your file icon on the top right of your screen, and further in the drop down menu that appears, tap on the manage profile option. Now tap on the app profile option you can see there and enter a name and further save the change you just made. You can then share your accounts login pattern so with your friends also, as Netflix tightens its policy on account sharing. Make sure you are aware of their latest term and avoid account suspension. You can also upgrade your plan if necessary to allow more screens. So this is how you can share Netflix account with friend. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.